Welcome guys to this video. I will show you how to create account on Signal app easy and quick. So just follow me and watch this video till the end. First just open your Signal app after you download it from Play Store or App Store. So as you see, I open it right now. Click continue here. And right now, if you want to allow permission now, for me, I don't want right now. I will just click not now, and then it will take me to this page where I have to add my code country and also my phone number here. So I add my phone number, click next now, and it will take you to another page. So click yeah, okay, it's my number. Now you have to verify that you are a human. Just click here, and I have to finish this and I will back. Right now they sent me a verification code, so it's added here automatically. As you see, this is the Signal code, then it's loading as you see. So I have to add my first name and my last name, and also here I can manage and control who can find my number. I set everyone. I will click here next, and then I have to create a pin. For me, I will just click I will just add the one randomly. Now I confirm my pin and it's loading, and it will take me to another page. So here guys, my shot list and my call list, everything, and congratulations, you added and you create an account on Signal. That's all. Don't forget to like, also subscribe, and